plus 1, exercise 1.4. Now next question is question number 3rd. A set is given is 1, 2, 3. B set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is given that A is the subset of B. It means all elements that A union B equal to B. Now we take left hand side of this, taking LHS left hand side. Now we find A union B. Here A union B is set of A, element of set A is 1, 2, 3. Union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now union of these two sets are, we take those elements which are in set A and B. Also the common element of both. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we look here. This is the set of 1, 2, 3, 4. A union B equal to B. Hence, this is your left hand side B set. Hence, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence the result. Now, second part of this question said that A is the subset of B. A intersection B with equal to A. We have proved that A intersection B is equal to A. Now we take left hand side of this set A intersection B. We take the intersection of these two sets. Here the set of A is equal to 1, 2, 3. And intersection with set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we take intersection of these two sets is, we take those elements which are common in set A and B. Here the element of 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 are common in both sets. So then 1, 2, 3 is the common element of set A and B. So it is equal to, this is equal to set of A. These are the elements of set A. So now this is equal to, hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. Part number 3rd and 4th part of questions 3rd are same. In this part also find that B dash is the subset of A dash. We have find B dash already, find the B dash of this set, and A dash also the subset of these. In question number 4 it is given that A, B, C are 3 sets. We take set, this is A, this is B, and this is set of C. We take this set. Now we have find that A difference B equal to A intersection B dash. From this set we have find A difference B of left hand side. A difference B of left hand side of this set. So now left hand side of this set is A difference B. Here the A difference B set of those elements of A which are not in a B. Here the all element of A belong to B. So then this is a null set. Now in right hand side we have showed that A intersection B dash. Now we find this result for B dash. Take U is any set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now B dash is the element of those sets which are in U. Left element of B. If we left the element 1, 2, 3, 4, we get the 5, 6, 7. These are the element of B dash. Now A is the element of 1, 2, 3. Intersection B dash is 5, 6, 7. Now we take the intersection of each set is A 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 is equal to no common element, then this is equal to 5. So hence LHS is equal to RHS. Left hand side is, we also should have A difference B. A difference B equal to B dash minus A dash. Here the A difference B set is 5. Now left hand side is equal to 5. And now we take right hand side of this set is B dash. Element of B dash is 5, 6, 7. Difference A dash. Now the A dash of this element, we take those elements which are in U, not in A. Here the element of A 1, 2, 3. Then A dash is equal to, we take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So difference with 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now 5, 6, 7 is the element belong to this. So no element of this set belong to this. Then this is also equal to 5. So hence left hand side is equal to right hand intersection of with A. This is your left hand side. In right hand side we find A intersection B and A intersection C. Those we have find the difference of these set. We have proved this 6. These are similar to part first to third. Now this is your questions number